Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Off-road trailing, family off-road trailing, that will be fun. But this thing is going to be very, very competitive. I mean, look at it. There's enough traction in these wheels, man. Wow! Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mao here, and to test the Subotech 1/12 scale 4-wheel drive RC crawler, I had to come to this beautiful area which is getting our favorite. And by the way, I also tested my Citroen C5 Aircross, and I am simply amazed. The grip control, terrain control, they simply turned this front-wheel drive into 4-wheel drive. I mean, you won't even feel it. Let's drive it. I'm not gonna do those teaser kind of things, setting cameras, angles and everything. I'm just gonna show you straight away with this head cam what this baby can do, how does it perform, and how good it is. Raining is starting, but let's just do it. So I love it. I mean, check this out. You actually open the bonnet and then connect the battery, and then close the bonnet. Battery is perfectly saved, and for these little clips they also given these holders. This makes life really easy to put them in and out. Alright, radio is on, and we have an on-off button somewhere here. There you go. Alright, now to change the speed, you press the bind button and you will see that light blinks. 1 means high speed, 2 means slow speed. So, and here we go. I hear those sounds which are, I don't know, healthy or not. And I found that it actually, as soon as you stop, leave the throttle, it just stops like the wheels just jam. So the 4-wheel drive system is basically binding, I believe, in there as soon as you leave it. Anyway, this is slow speed, and let me show you the high speed. So high speed, that's it. You won't even notice actually. So I'm coming in slow speed, and I'll put high speed mode. This slow, high. No, you won't even feel it. So we'll just drive it in slow speed and see how it goes. I should bring my other camera, but anyway, first off, let's see how it behaves. As the perfect place for it to go off-road. Let's see how it handles the off-road for the very first time. So far so good. Wow. I mean, it's just handling everything superb. One moment. Can we jump it at high speed? One moment. I'm gonna change to high speed. Yes, that's the only jump you can do. Alright, let's try to climb this. There's enough traction in these wheels, man. Wow, superb. I mean, check this out. What do you want from a toy and hobby, in between toy and hobby grade vehicle? What else do you want? This is more than enough. That you have proportional throttle, proportional steering, and very, very good control on 4-wheel drive. Sweet. Now this is where I will come back again for off-road trailing with, all the vehicles that I have, by turning them into man, that articulation is good. By turning them into FPV vehicles, and we can actually drive FPV off-road trailing, family off-road trailing. That will be fun. But this thing is going to be very, very competitive. I mean, look at it. It just does really nice on this terrain. I also have a JJRC Q46, and I need to see how that will behave and handle this terrain right here. I don't want to get it dirty in the water. And no, I made my car dirty outside. Now, one thing that I was talking about is this being very soft. Check this out. Sometimes it just, like, for instance, if I'm here, see, it bends. It doesn't turn. See how it's bending? But anyway, when you move, the wheels turn. So basically it's being soft. Now you see, that's what I was talking about. This wheel not turning because it's bending. So basically being soft, it's okay. It will prevent the damage to some of the components. And it does the job. That's what we need. It does the job. Now, the thing that I'm worrying about is how long these diffs are gonna survive. Man, on this brushed motor, this four-wheel drive performance is more than enough. Now, this is a steep angle. I don't think it will make it because CG is disturbed. We will hit it the other way. We'll come from there. Okay, will high speed help? No. Just the low speed is more than enough. Man, Subotech, this time seems like you did your homework, huh? This thing is superb on off-road. I don't think JJRC Q46 will handle this terrain. We'll bring it here and see how it goes. Hitting the angle right, if you don't, you will flip over. That's what I love about the RC cars. Uh-oh, we toppled it. Even if it is raining, you can keep playing. You don't have to land, you know. So yes, I was talking about it. This is not the antenna tube. This is the flagpole. Whoa, that was nice. Trying to wheelie. Come on. Yeah, baby. I'm simply loving this performance. I mean, Hadi is gonna be very, very happy because Hadi chose it. Hadi says, this is my truck. But on the speed, he's not gonna be happy because this is a crawler, not designed for high-speed racing. Now, this is nice. I can bring it up. It should handle this very, very easy. Should you not? I mean, on slow speeds, we are doing wonders here. I'm not using full throttle except at some places. Check this out, man. This thing is superb four-wheel drive performance here. Uh-oh, we lost our flag again. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna bring it back to the car. I want to save the battery for some other shots as well. Turtles, something in the belly. Ah, that's a big rock in the belly. Whoa, that was the longest wheelie. Stand up. Superb, man. That is amazing. Let's save some battery for some other shots. There's no stopping this baby. Awesome. Subotech, that's some nice four-wheel drive performance in here. Now the only thing I'm concerned about is how long it's gonna survive and how long those gears that making that kind of noise are gonna survive. I'll find out very soon. We still have a lot more off-roading to do. This is a big area to explore. I'll go under the truck. There's a lot more space behind the truck. We're gonna be crazy. More RC vehicles in the review, and today in this video I have got a cockroach in the box. Rudder machine. Really? Man, I'm crying. Die, 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 die. This is one of the most soft steering rods that I have ever seen. One of them starts leaking. It has changed to the device. Pull both sides from under and voila. We are going to simply love it. Which is connected to a servo or a rudder machine.